Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot, and I'm the Bluebeam Professional Services Director with U Chapter 2. And I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services, empowering you to get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. Another thing I wanted to show was assemblies. So not only can we get our quantities over, but in most cases, a lot of your materials are factors of other materials. So for instance, I've got wall framing over here, steel studs. I've traced over these walls. And so I have a base track in that assembly. I have base track for my steel studs, top track. I have studs at different spacings. Maybe I have clips, top and bottom. I don't have to have measurements for all of these and markups. I can just, let's go ahead and link that and create our assembly. So I'm going to select the cell where I want that quantity to load into. I'm going to go into my quantity link, create again. This time I'm going with length of the subject is my wall, and I'm going to say OK. And that'll tell me how many meters of that wall I have and how many instances. So now you can imagine here that my base track is going to be the same as my top track in this case. So here I might just say equals and click up here and enter, and then that will update every time this one is. For my studs, my individual studs, I might say equals this distance divided by 0.5 meters, or whatever your stud spacing is at, parenthesis, and then I usually just do a +1 for my starter stud and say enter. And there you can see it's counting according to the spacing I put in the formula how many studs we need. And then for clips, if you have one top and bottom of each of those studs, then this one's just going to be equals, and I'm not an Excel expert, I don't know if you need the parentheses in here, but we're gonna do that, and we're going ×2 on this one to give us the number of clips. So you can start to build out assemblies. Now when I come in here and I select my tool again and I trace in that next wall, you can see all of those quantities for all the materials that make up that wall increase. If you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to the team at Brighter Graphics or myself. We'd be happy to help you out with that.